Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be going over a May 2021 trading recap review kind of thing. First I'll just go through my numbers and then I'll go through my top three trades from May. So I took 67 total trades in May, 25 winners, 13 losers, and 29 break-even trades. So what I consider a break-even trade is a 2% or less winner or loser. So if I have a $1,000 position size and I make or lose $19, that is going to be a break-even trade for me. So my average winner was $145 in May. My average loser was $102. I paid $444 in commissions on my 67 trades, and my profit factor was about a 272. So anything above a 2 is a very good profit factor. Again, that's not including commissions when you're doing your profit factor, but still anything above a 2 is very good. My PnL was about 2,500, and that's a 44.4% growth on my account, which is extremely good. But again, I'm working with a smaller account, and on some of my position sizes I'm almost taking close to what my whole account is, because I finally, since my account is past $5,000 in May, I was able to start taking 5 contracts on Tesla. Some trades I would take 4, but I was able to actually take 5 contracts and be able to scale out a little bit better. Alright, so this first trade is from May 11th, and we had gapped down the day prior from 630 all the way down to, we open at 599.5, and right there we made a 930 high of 600, and pre-market high was 599.5. So we opened at 599.5, and that's pre-market high. So those are two key levels aligning together. So that's going to be my entry. So I'm looking for a play over 599.5, and I'm playing 4 650 cons. So when I say that's what I'm looking for, that means I'm looking at the ask right here to get over 599.5, and then I'm going to get in, and I'm trading 4 650 cons. And we're hovering below 599, so let's see what happens when we get over 599. We pop over and I get in right away. We get filled 4 at $4, and we're up $2 quick. Here we go, we get to 603, pop over 603. I take one off. And we get to 605, and I take another off quick. Now let's see if we can get over 605. We get over 605, and I take the third off. So now I have 1 con left. I had 4 originally, and now ideally I would like to hold this, my trading style now, but back then I wasn't as keen on holding and keeping a runner, so I just cut right there. It's fine. Good trade. Really solid trade with only 4 contracts. Alright, so this second trade is from May 20th, and this was a Tesla high of day play. High of day was 577.83, 930 through 932 at highs at 576.8, and 937 and 939 at highs at 576.5. So that 576.5 was the number I was going to play it over. And right here we speed up and we get to 576.5 on the ask, and I get in, but we don't break right away. And here I'm watching. The cons are holding. They're holding right near the entry, and 576 on the ask is also holding. So I'm not going to panic sell and get out of this. I want to see us get a pop over my entry. Again, if we drop 576, I'd get out. But right here, we get over, and we get into 577, and I take 1 off there. Staying in the low 577s, I take 2 off just to lock in profits, and then I have 2 left. I'm looking for a 577 hold, and hopefully we get a play into 578. Now there's no reason to sell. Just going to see what happens. And there we go. We get into 578, and I take 1 off, lock in profits, and we kind of reject there, and that's obviously not a good sign. And then we're trying to get over 578 again, and I just cut out. I'm happy with the profits I have. Alright, so here's the third trade from the last day of the month, Friday, May 28th. And I was playing 5 at the money Tesla cons on 0 DTE. And that's because I really like this setup. So yesterday had a high at 631.13. yesterday closed at 630.85, and pre-market high today was 630. So I like this over 629.5 because that was the real resistance pre-market. But right at open, I'm going to be looking in the top right just to make sure that the option contracts are working, everything's updating, and we're grooving. We get to 629.5, we get to 630, and right there, first 5 seconds I get in. We pop over 631, and I had a good fill. So my cons are in the money, and I take one off right at 631. We pop over 631, I take another off. Let's see if we can get over 32. Right at 32, I take another off, and there's a lot of size on the ask. So I take another off there, and I only have one con left. Let's see if this can pop over 632, but there's a lot of size, so that means there's a lot of sellers. I'm up nice on this trade, and I just get out of the trade. It's a super quick trade. First minute, I was in and out in 30 seconds, but that's just how these plays happen. I mean, you don't want to linger in these 930 plays where they can then go against you. You sometimes want to let them run to see if you can catch more of the trade, but you definitely don't want to let these go against you. So right as you're up, you always just want to lock profits right away. Alright, so that is my May 2021 trading recap. Really good month, a month that I'm very happy with. Things to learn from this month, but this month put me in position to have bigger months progressively afterwards. So that's what I was really happy about with this month. And also, just wrapping it up, I know that this video wasn't made and edited that well, but this was the first video that I made, so I guess just bear with me and these videos will get better. And if you have any ideas or suggestions, just let me know in the comments. If you want to see any different types of videos, just let me know. If you want to give me a like, that'd be awesome. But if not, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it, and enjoy the rest of your day.